when you get what you want.
Welcome back. Today we are going to look at the group 2. The group 2 is the participle verbs. As we discussed before, the participle verb we divided into 3: the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense participle verbs. Then as we use the he, she, it as the pronoun, we are the first one, the first section, we are going to add is plus verb. So the present tense will be he is plus the verb. The past tense will be he was plus the verb. The future tense will be he will be plus the verb. The second section, we are going to put has. So he, she, it has plus the verb. He, she, it had plus the verb. And he, she, it will be plus the verb. Which are the participle verbs that we can use? Here I have some example: broken, slept, eaten, gone. Remember, these are not the past tense verb, these are the participle verb. So the first one, I will use the first section using the verb broken. He, she, it is broken. He, she, it was broken. He, she, it will be broken. Then we go to the second section while using has. He, she, it has broken. He, she, it had broken. He, she, it will be broken. The second one, the word slept as a participle verb. He, she, it is slept. He, she, it was slept. He, she, it will be slept. The second section, while using the word has, he, she, it has slept. He, she, it had slept. He, she, it will be slept. The second participle verb, eaten. He, she, it is eaten. He, she, it was eaten. He, she, it will be eaten. Using the second section, while using the word has, he, she, it has eaten. He, she, it had eaten. He, she, it will be eaten. The other word is gone as a participle verb. I will use the past section that it is. He, she, it is gone. He, she, it is. He, she, it was gone. He, she, it will be gone. Using the second section, the word has. He, she, it has gone. He, she, it had gone. He, she, it will be gone. This section is very important because it will help you use it in the speech and you use it correctly. And while writing, you'll be able to use it correctly. If you don't use it correctly, the meaning in a sentence will change and people might not understand what you'll be saying. So we are going to see the next section, section 3, while using the continuous tense in the next video. Thank you very much.
When you get what you want.
In this video, we are going to look at group 3. The group 3 is the continuous tense verbs. The same way, we are going to divide this group, the continuous tense verb, into 3 parts: the present, the past, and the future. The continuous tense verb is only adding the present verb, you add ing. And we are going to use the pronoun he, she, it. Then we add the word is for the present plus the verb. For the past tense, continuous, we are going to add he, she, ate plus was, then add the verb. In the future tense, the continuous future tense, we are going to take the pronoun he, she, ate, we add will, be plus the verb. Let us look at an example using the word going. He, she, ate, is going. The present tense. He, she, ate, was going. The past tense. He, she, ate, will be going. The future tense. Let us look at the next word, eating. He, she, ate, is eating for the present tense. He, she, ate, was eating for the past tense. He, she, ate, will be eating for the future tense. Let us look at the next verb, washing. He, she, ate, is washing for the present tense. He, she, ate, was washing for the past tense. He, she, ate, will be washing for the future tense. This is the continuous tense verb. And then to bring us to the end of this part, then we go to the next part where we are going to see how we are going to use them as in a sentence. The next video, we will understand the verb in group 1, the verbs in group 2, and the verbs in group 3. Then we add the sentence on the verb using the pronoun he, she, ate. Then we see how we are going to use them in the speech and how we are going to be writing them. If you use group 1, group 2, group 3 in a wrong way, the sentence or the speech will not have a proper meaning. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.
When you get what you want.
Welcome. In this video, we are going to look at the pronoun plus has or have. The pronoun he, she, it, John and Mary are in singular. So the next word will be has plus the participle verb. I, we, they, you, John and Mary are going to use the word have plus the participle verb. So if you are using he has plus the participle verb, it will be he has gone, she has gone, it has gone, John has gone, Mary has gone. If you are using the next word is he has eaten, she has eaten, it has eaten, John has eaten, Mary has eaten. The next word is broken, which is a participle verb. He has broken, she has broken, it has broken, John has broken, Mary has broken. The next participle verb, seen. He has seen, she has seen, it has seen, John has seen, Mary has seen. The next participle verb, examples of few, decided. He has decided, she has decided, it has decided, John has decided, Mary has decided. For the word eat, if it's an organization or a table or a machine or a computer, we would say, let's take an example of an organization. We say, organization has decided. So the next part of the pronoun is I, we, they, you, John and Mary have, because they are in plural form. They use the plural form. So I have gone. We have gone. They have gone. You have gone. John and Mary have gone. You cannot say I have gone. That is a wrong English. We have gone. That is a wrong English. So the next word that will come between I, we, they, you, John and Mary is have plus the participle. The next word is eaten. I have eaten. We have eaten. They have eaten. You have eaten. John and Mary have eaten. The next word is broken. I have broken. We have broken. They have broken. You have broken. John and Mary have broken. The next word is seen. I have seen. We have seen. They have seen. You have seen. John and Mary have seen. This just a few examples of them. Continue using them so you will be able to learn more. Thank you very much.